Alright, let's see what other people are saying about the LUXSB box. Wait a minute. Am I the only dude unboxing this? One sec. Because I only see, like, women. Okay. Alright, and you know that I'm fat. Alright, like, the whole thing is like I'm a fat dude. And you're okay with that. Okay. Well, thank you. No, I'm shooting it right now. Okay, alright, thank you. Alright, bye. Welcome to another Fat Guy review, and this time we're talking about LUXSB. Luxurious. Look at this box. That might be the fanciest box I've ever gotten. So this box is what's gonna make you the complete package. So you've tried to dress better. You've watched a couple videos on that. You've tried to make yourself look a little thinner, because, you know, weight loss is hard. And now the final step is to stop smelling like ass. I know, you don't wanna hear this, but I'm your friend, and I'm one of you. So, you're fat, you walk around a lot, you sweat a lot, you smell like ass. I'm sorry. It's fine. I walked around Target for 20 minutes this morning. Ass. So that's why LUXSB is gonna fit right into your lifestyle, because you're now gonna smell good. People are gonna wanna be around you. They're gonna be like, oh man, Nick, you smell delicious. And I go, I know, back off, I know. But if you've always wanted to try out different colognes or different perfumes because you don't really know what you're supposed to smell like, because we all have like a scent, right? We all had one in high school. Cool Waters isn't cool anymore, so we've got to move on. We've got to find an adult scent, and they have literally hundreds of selections on their website. And if you know what you already smell like, you can kind of go by category. Like, oh, well, I like to smell like citrus, or I like to smell like wood. They have it all broken down for you. Me, I'm gonna take advantage of them just picking something and sending it to me. Normally, you would just choose whichever cologne or perfume that you want. You go through and you're like, that one. And they'll send you a little vial every month for 15 bucks. And if you use my code linked in the description, you are gonna save 35% off of that first box. So, you know, save a little money, smell a little better. Well, let's open up this luxurious LUXSB box and see what they sent me. Scent. Did you get that? Anybody get that? Joke. So the first time they send you a scent, they are gonna send you this little case that says LUXSB on it. And inside, that's pretty cool. Anyway, inside, you pull this up, it's like a James Bond film. It's the antidote. No, but like there's a scent in here, so they'll send you this every month, and then you just attach it to this, put it in there, bam, new scent. To go, protected, nice and secure. Once they send it to you, you can either have that one shipped out every month, or you can choose a new one every month and try all the different things. So maybe you don't like this one, and you're like, well, let me try that one and see if that smells better. And then if you do like that one, you can actually purchase a bigger version of it for a discount. So let's see the 3 scents that they sent me, because I have no idea what they sent me. So this one's Dolce & Gabbana, the one. I have never purchased or smelled Dolce & Gabbana. Not in my price range. Second one is something Exit the King. Ooh. That's pretty good. Oh, all right. Mancera Red Tobacco. Well, I'm only gonna spray one because I just want to see how it works. We turn the little knob. Remember this from earlier? It's cool. I got it in my mouth. Ooh, that's delightful. People will walk by me and go, oh, someone around us has money. And then they'd ask the fat guy with the nerd shirt on. I go, do you know who has money around here? And I go, I have no idea. It's Dolce & Gabbana. No, seriously, I hate them. So that's LUXSB. You got the clothing right, you're looking a little slimmer. It's time to stop smelling like what? Ass. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And of course, use my code to save 35% off your first LUXSB shipment.